In this video I will discuss about 15-minute walking exercises to lose belly fat. Simple routine. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a 15-minute walking workout that's perfect for burning belly fat. This routine is ideal for beginners and those who want to get back into shape after taking a break. So, let's get started. Remember, this workout can be done with just a timer and a stopwatch. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. 1. Warm up by walking at a comfortable pace for 5 minutes. This will help prevent any injuries and prepare your body for the work ahead. 2. Next, increase your pace to a light jog or moderate walk for another 5 minutes. The goal here is to get your heart rate up and start burning those calories. 3. Now it's time for some high-intensity intervals. Sprint or power walk for 30 seconds, and then go back to a light jog or moderate walk to recover for another 90 seconds. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Trust me, you'll feel the burn in no time. 4. Finally, wrap up the workout by power walking or jogging at a moderate pace for 5 minutes to cool down and stretch those muscles. That's it. In just 15 minutes, you've completed an effective workout that can help you lose belly fat and improve your overall fitness level. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Stay healthy and fit, everyone.